Are you looking for a last-minute gift? What are the most unusual stocking stuffers? I have found them, they're on sale, and they're coming right up. What's the best gift for her? What's the best gift for him? If you're shopping for a grandparent, a senior, there's parents that we need to cover. Hi, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. I am a parent. I am from mattsdailydeals.com, and I'm constantly looking for ways to help you save money. All of the deals that I'm going to show you are on mattsdailydeals.com. And a reminder, I do use affiliate links, which means I benefit monetarily by a few cents if you do use one of my links, for which I thank you. The money goes right off back to this channel. Now, I have covered many different stocking stuffer topics. In fact, coming up in about 48 hours, I'm going to feature the best overall stocking stuffers. But I know some of you are shopping today, you need your products, you want them delivered in time, and I want to show them to you right now. One of them can also possibly help get rid of your pain, and I don't mean Tylenol or Advil in a stocking. So there's some cool gift ideas here that are also unusual ideas. Let's start first with just a quick deal drop for kids. This is a Hot Wheels 40% off deal. It's rare and it's unusual to see a deal on Hot Wheels this time of year. A reminder, all of the links are on mattsdailydeals.com. I'm flagging this not as an unconventional idea, but just unusual because it is on sale. This is an approach that's a little bit unusual, but with package theft so popular this time of year, I know a surveillance camera is not anything you would ever put into a stocking because you can never find them for around 25 bucks, but the Wyze cams have all dropped in price. If you are looking for just a great way to give the peace of mind to someone or some member of your family, this works with the Amazon Alexa voice service and the Google Assistant. 25 bucks for a very well-rated camera. These have dropped. While we are talking about smart home, I know it's not that sexy to put a light bulb into a stocking, but the eTech City 4-pack, reminder, you could spend 30 bucks right now and get 4 stockings stuffed out of this. You can pair each outlet with its own app and use them independently, and then obviously someone can turn on their lights or turn on their kettle in the morning. It's just a really cool idea where you pay $30 and you get 4 gifts out of that. So that's unusual in my opinion. The Echo Auto is another gift idea. Now, this is a more expensive stocking, but also a great gift. It's unusual because, one, this is on sale at $34.99. It's also unusual because this was an invitation-only gift, and it is an interesting concept if you are looking for this. I did buy it just to test it out. It works. It's a way to add the Amazon Alexa voice service to your vehicle with this. This just goes into your vehicle so you can summon her and use those microphones to drop advice. It uses your smartphone data for its AI. And although it's not clear from the photo, it does come with an air vent mount, which is obviously not compatible with all types of vehicles. I don't understand why there wasn't just a suction put onto the back of this or a way where you didn't have to use the mount, but anyhow, this goes onto here, this clips into your air vent, and then you can use the Amazon Alexa voice service on the road. It's good for quick tasks, sending a quick text message, using hands-free operation, and then if you are looking for playlists or things where you want to speak your commands and safely use your smartphone, this is a great way if you don't have Apple CarPlay built in or you're not a huge fan of Siri. So there you go on that one. Now this would be a good gift for anyone. The tech gadgets that I just showed you would possibly be great for any tech lover that is between the ages of 18 and any age. And the final gift idea that I want to show you is completely unconventional because I don't know if you would ever do it in a stocking until me making the suggestion, but it's cool. And a reminder, I should tell you that all of the deals are on mattsdailydeals.com right now. If you head over there, please make sure to get on my email notification list so when other stocking stuffers drop, those end of the year clearance deals, you want me to accompany you live at the Consumer Electronics Show with some brilliant live video where you see deals first. You'll get that all right here. This is a gift where my grandmother, who just had her knee replaced, is using this product right now. I've used it in the past. If you've ever used Rub A35 or you do have those sore joints this time of year, maybe this isn't a stocking stuffer only. This could be an amazing gift, but this is on sale right now. This is sort of the modern day Bengay or A35. This is CBD with a magnesium rapid relief spray. The reason I love this as a stocking stuffer, it's compact, it is on sale, and then if you've ever used those other products that I've just mentioned, you get it on your hand and then you're going like this, and then heaven forbid you touch your eyes or your baby. That's like, again, that time where I had a jalapeno and then I used the men's room. Not a good idea. If you're cutting it, it burns. This is a spray. So you spray it and it effectively reduces swelling, inflammation, and then obviously clinically proven to help with any sore muscle aches or pains. And if you are looking for CBD pain relief, this has done so well with subscribers in the past because this is one of the only products on the market that has both magnesium, which is the muscle relaxant, and then obviously CBD, which helps pain and inflammation reduce significantly. This is great for your knees, your shoulders, your hands, your feet, your back, your neck, your hips, and my grandma and my parents and me. This is also an anti-acne skin soother. It's an anti-insomnia sleep aid. And this is the extra strength version of this highly popular product that you've probably seen all over the place. So there you go. If you are looking to find any of the deals, mattsdailydeals.com. Reminder, I will return with the more conventional stocking stuffers. I just thought these were all very rare, either in the fact that the price has been reduced or it is something that you might not have considered putting into a stocking. And who doesn't want that stocking stuffed with creativity? Thank you. All right. Let me know any ideas that you have, any products that you want me to help find on sale. I'd be honored to assist with that. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please just click on my head. That's all you need to do. If you need help turning on your notifications so you do know when I go live and when those deals drop, right over here. The last big roundup of deals I did, right over here.